YouTube, so here's the Westinghouse industrial ceiling fan. I thought I'd put this up to move some more air. Yeah, that Litex, I just decided to put up a heavier duty ceiling fan, and this definitely does it. So we'll go to the controls. So we're gonna start off on 5. Listen to it. This thing really sounds like it, and this thing moves a lot of air. Once this thing gets up to speed, it sounds like a helicopter. Is this a little extreme for my bedroom? Yeah, it is. This is definitely extreme. Setting 3 for medium. This is a powerful fan. So yeah, that's the Westinghouse 56-inch industrial. It's a powerful fan. So yeah, bye.